The National Weather Service issuing an air quality alert for Erie and Crawford counties today, prompted by those Canadian wildfires. Now, in addition to the smoke, some people have been able to smell the fire, and in some parts of the region, they say the smell is pretty strong. Matt Mathias spoke to a doctor working with LECOM's Senior Living Center and some people spending some time outside today. He has their thoughts. Matt.
Well, Jen, everyone is likely or could experience some health issues at this time, but those most at risk should be absolutely cautious when they're out and about and spending time outside. Have you noticed the haziness off in the distance as you've been out traveling? It's only gotten worse since last week, as smoke from Canadian wildfires in Quebec have worked its way south into the United States. It's impacting our air quality and causing health risks for many, including those with asthma, children, and our elderly population.
I'm a geriatrician, work with older adults, and they tend to have a lot more medical conditions than the average person.
But those aren't the only people at risk. Other medical conditions struggle with poor air quality as well.
Air pollution can affect those with heart disease. It'll even affect people with diabetes because as they age, their body doesn't have the same capacity to be able to compensate for poor air quality.
Carter says it's important for those with risk factors to limit their exposure, stay indoors, close windows, and utilize filtered air conditioning. But some are still brave enough to take to the outdoors. We spoke with a few people who were biking here at Presque Isle, and they shared with us that they weren't sure if what they were feeling today was from the wildfires or just allergies.
I've noticed that our allergies are a lot worse with all this smoke in the air. You know, we worry about people with asthma and the breathing. Some of our friends are having trouble breathing.
And beyond being concerned about air quality, some are worried fires like what Canada is seeing could happen locally.
Everything is so dry, it's so bone dry. You go out in the woods and there are no puddles. Everything's bone dry. The swamps are dried up. And if there's fires around here also, it would just be a wildfire.
Now tomorrow, the air quality is expected to be a little better than today, but it does have a chance to turn poor again by Friday. Jen.
Hopefully it clears up soon. All right, Matt Mathias in our control room. Thank you, Matt.